Picture this. You're driving down a quiet mountain road while the sun slowly disappears behind the trees. The air feels colder, the sky turns orange and gold, and parked beside a peaceful lake is something that looks straight out of another era. A cozy vintage camper glowing warmly from the inside. Tiny lantern lights hang around the windows. The wooden interior shines softly, and somehow this little camper feels more like home than most modern houses. And honestly, that's the magic of a vintage camper. It's not just a vehicle, it's freedom with wheels. The moment you step inside, everything changes. The smell of polished wood, old school leather seats, tiny handcrafted cabinets, retro curtains moving gently with a breeze. It feels warm, personal, and alive. Unlike massive modern RVs packed with cold technology, a vintage camper has soul. Every scratch, every curve, every detail tells a story. Now imagine waking up inside this cozy little space parked beside the ocean. You open the tiny camper door and hear waves crashing nearby. The morning coffee is brewing on a small vintage stove while sunlight sneaks through the curtains. No alarms, no traffic, no stress, just peace. That's the lifestyle people are falling in love with again. And the best part? You can literally take it anywhere. Mountain roads, forest campsites, desert highways, snowy villages, hidden beaches. This camper follows you wherever adventure calls. One day you're parked near a waterfall, and the next you're sleeping under a sky full of stars in the middle of nowhere. But here's what makes vintage campers different from modern travel setups. Modern RVs try to impress you with giant screens and luxury gadgets. Vintage campers impress you with feelings. They make simple moments unforgettable. Sitting by a campfire suddenly feels magical. Rain tapping softly on the camper roof becomes relaxing instead of annoying. Even reading a book inside feels cinematic. And somehow, despite their compact size, these campers feel unbelievably cozy. Every inch is carefully designed. Tiny fold-out tables, hidden storage compartments, little shelves filled with old maps and travel mugs, a small bed tucked beside glowing windows. It's proof that you don't need a giant house to feel comfortable. In fact, most people say they feel happier living smaller. Because when life gets simpler, experiences become bigger. You stop worrying about unnecessary things and start paying attention to moments that actually matter. The sound of birds in the morning, cooking dinner while parked beside a river, watching storms from inside your warm camper while wrapped in blankets. That's not just travel, that's living. And let's talk about the look of these campers, because honestly, they turn heads everywhere. Whether it's polished chrome details, rounded retro designs, faded vintage paint, or old school wheels, people can't stop staring at them. Some look like they came straight out of the 1950s. Others mix vintage style with futuristic upgrades, creating this perfect blend of classic and modern. Every camper feels unique. No copy-paste designs. No boring factory look. Some owners decorate them with fairy lights and plants. Others add rustic wooden interiors and vintage radios. Some even transform them into tiny luxury cabins with fireplaces and hidden kitchens. It becomes more than transportation. It becomes a reflection of personality. And here's where things get really interesting. A lot of people are leaving traditional lifestyles behind because of campers like this. Instead of spending fortunes on huge homes and stressful city living, they're choosing mobility and freedom. Imagine being able to change your backyard whenever you want. Today it's a forest. Tomorrow it's a beach. Next week it's the mountains. That freedom is addictive. And surprisingly, vintage campers create stronger memories than luxury vacations ever could. Nobody remembers sitting in a boring hotel room. But people remember nights spent inside a tiny camper during thunderstorms. They remember getting lost on quiet roads and discovering beautiful hidden places. They remember campfire dinners, random roadside stops, and sleeping under endless stars. Those